Here's a quick demonstration on how we could use AI with Slack for an investment bank to help us improve a CIM. In this example, I'm actually going to be using a sell side example. At this junction, I'm advising this confidential company that is looking to be sold or divest, and I'm looking to spiff up or beef up this CIM so that it looks better to a real company which could acquire them or have some sort of transaction event. And in this scenario, here's my CIM. This is a sample CIM for a fictional company. There's no PII in it, and I've got it as a Word doc. It could also be a PDF or a deck in PowerPoint for that matter. I've also got a potential acquirer here, Dick's Sporting Goods, because as you can see, we've got a CIM for a sports good wholesale company in Southern California. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fire up Slack. Slack is my primary mechanism of accessing this AI interface with Agentforce, but you could do it in Salesforce. You could do it in your sidebar within the Salesforce UI. We just use Slack. So if you're a Teams shop, don't worry about it. The same UI can exist in multiple different softwares. The first thing that I'm going to do is start off with a pre-written prompt that I've already come up with. And that prompt is to provide this AI agent that I've named Plato because it's my company's branding. I've given Plato the Word doc. In this case, it's a Google Doc. I've also asked it to come up with an executive summary and to give me some suggestions on how I should change this CIM based on the potential acquirer, in this case, Dick's Sporting Goods. So if you take a look at what it sent back, it's given me some information about the financial positioning of the company. It's given me some information as it relates to their financials, the market positioning, the product portfolio. So these are some modifications I can make to the CIM. What else I could do is, here's another prompt. I'm going to ask it to elaborate why there's portfolio alignment and operational alignment synergies between this company, this fictional company, and the potential acquirer, Dick's Sporting Goods. So we'll see what the AI comes up with. All right, so here's a couple more things. So more portfolio alignment strategies. It gives me a manufacturing focus that could help build out some of Dick's sports portfolio. It gives me some operational synergies. It even cites their adjusted EBITDA as well as their CAGR and some other information. So it's looking through the document, reading it, and giving me relevant intel. And then it's also giving me some more information. So key financial attractors that I might want to include, as well as some other things. To keep this video short, I'm going to skip to my next prompt, which is, let's say I know the CEO of Dick's Sporting Goods, and I want to send her an email to get a little bit of excitement going. So my last prompt for this quick demo is for this AI to create an email to the CEO of Dick's Sporting Goods to get her excited about this potential acquisition and highlight some of what the AI learned while it was answering my other prompts. So if you'll notice, I didn't even give it the name of the CEO. Okay, this has access to the internet, so it looked it up for me. It gave me a subject line here, and it got her name, Lauren Hobart, and it's highlighted some key acquisition highlights, and it also gives some information on what the opportunity can be for Dick's. And then it also made up a name of a bank. I didn't ask it to do that. It took some liberties. But as you can see, this is sort of the end-to-end process that I've concocted here, but you could ask it virtually any question that comes to mind. So more than happy to elaborate on this. Feel free to visit us, plative.com/Agentforce to learn more.